Question 4B. The most effective organizations invest in the board and encourage continued learning in the boardroom. I repeat, the most effective organizations invest in their board and encourage continual learning in the boardroom. With reference to the above statement, discuss 5 reasons why organizations should invest in board development. Reasons why organizations should invest in board development. One reason is that investment in board development leads to enhanced decision making. Enhanced decision making. Investing in board development equips directors with up-to-date knowledge, with up-to-date skills to make informed decisions, and that leads to better strategic planning, risk assessment, and more effective oversight. Enhanced decision making. The second reason why the organization should invest in board development is improved board effectiveness. Improved board effectiveness. Investing in board development is like sharpening the skills of the board members. The skills of the board members are sharpened through board development. So continuous learning and development programs enable board members to understand their roles and responsibilities better. They can then work collaboratively, fostering a high-performing board culture. Improved board effectiveness. Through board development, the board members can adapt to changing business landscape. Adaptation to changing business landscape. Adaptation to changing business landscape. Board development equips directors with insights into emerging trends, into technological advancements and market shifts, and that prepares the board to adapt to changing business landscape, to changing circumstances, and then remain agile in addressing or in decision making. They remain agile. They become agile. It is through training that they'll become agile. So board development helps the board members to adapt to changing business landscape, because nothing is static. There are always changes in technology. There are changes in the market. There are always shifts in the market. We have emerging trends. And so if directors are not well developed, they may not be able to adapt to changing business environment. 4, stronger risk management. Stronger risk management. A well-informed board can identify and address risks proactively. So board development programs can enhance risk awareness and equip directors with tools to mitigate potential threats effectively. So board development can lead to a stronger risk management by the board. 5, increased board diversity. Increased board diversity, we can add inclusion. Increased board diversity and inclusion. Board development efforts can focus on promoting diversity. Can focus on doing what? On promoting diversity in the boardroom, including gender, ethnic, and professional diversity. And candidates, a diverse board brings varied perspectives, leading to a more robust discussions and better decision outcomes. So these are 5 reasons why organizations should invest in board development. Number 1, enhanced decision making. Number 2, it leads to improved board effectiveness. Number 3, adaptation to changing business landscape. Number 4, stronger risk management. Number 5, increased board diversity and inclusion. 5 reasons, 10 marks. Reasons why organizations should invest in board development. And candidates, all in all, investing in board development is an investment in the organization's governance effectiveness. It is an investment in what we call strategic agility, long-term sustainability, and it demonstrates a commitment to continuous improvement and responsible leadership, which can positively impact the organization performance and reputation. So that's question number 4. We've answered question number 4. In our next session, we are going to answer question number 5. Thank you. Bye-bye.